Hi guys, today we get into money-related phrases. Basically, when I traveled in Taiwan, I found myself in three situations. First, I needed to find a bank or an ATM machine to get some cash to myself. The second money-related situation was asking for the price. We have done this already a couple of times. And the last one is asking whether I can use the credit card. So let's get started. We are looking for a bank or an ATM machine. What do we ask? Where is, how to say in German? Correct. Wo ist? Wo ist eine Bank? Where is a bank, please? Wo ist eine Bank? Probably an ATM machine will just do for you as well. So you can ask, where is an ATM machine? In German, wo ist ein Geldautomat? So Geld means money and Automat is a machine. Wo ist, where is, ein Geldautomat? You repeat. Wo ist ein Geldautomat? More natural now. Wo ist ein Geldautomat? Ja, super. And now we are getting into the shop and we want to spend our money. So we ask for the price. How do you ask? You have done this already a couple of times before. Was kostet das? How much is it? Was kostet das? Repeat. Was kostet das? Very good. And sometimes it's really convenient to pay with the credit card. So when you want to use the credit card, you can very easily ask, geht auch Kreditkarte? Geht auch means auch is also and geht is it possible or would it work? Does it work? So you say, geht auch Kreditkarte? Say again, more natural. Geht auch Kreditkarte? Very good. Thank you for following me and tomorrow we will do food and drink related phrases. Take care and bye bye. See you tomorrow. If you like my classes, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There is also a bell icon. If you click that bell, you will be notified each time I post a new mini lesson.